CBI manufactures a complete range of raised access floors in different materials and with an almost unlimited choice of top coverings. Fully automated manufacturing lines guarantee a high performance, manufacturing efficiency and a finishing level of the highest precision. A perfectly organized production system focused on achieving the utmost quality for each and every component. A wide range of products to meet technical and style variations, designed to satisfy the different specific global market requirements. From traditional, readily serviceable panel systems to the next generation continuous tongue and groove continuous raised floors, galvanized steel structures, wood core or calcium sulfate core, factory finished with HPL, PVC, linoleum, ceramic tiles or parquet, or steel encapsulated panels, finished on-site with loose-laid floor coverings, CBI offers the perfect solution for your project requirements.